pretty excited about today. We're actually going to be making healthy apple muffins. I love a good muffin. These are from Sally's baking recipe. I saw the recipe and I thought it looked really, really good. So I figured we'd try it. There's a couple things I'm going to do differently, but it's healthy whole wheat apple muffins. So hopefully these will turn out pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and get all the ingredients ready. And then hopefully within 40 minutes, I will have some apple muffins for my post-workout meal. Now we put it in the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're gonna cook for 5 minutes at the 425, and then we actually turn it down to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake an additional 16 to 18 minutes. So we're gonna get these in the oven. All right, we're gonna taste one really quickly. They're definitely darker. I'm assuming that's from the whole wheat. Okay, we're gonna taste it. They're pretty good. They're not as good as the pumpkin muffins, but they're pretty good. You can definitely taste the whole wheat in them. They just kind of have like that heaviness to them, which I don't mind. I like whole wheat. And they're not very sweet, which I think is pretty good because like I like to eat muffins in the morning because I make 3 eggs with some cottage cheese. I just scramble them and then I'll have like a muffin on the side. And I do like to make like healthier versions of muffins. But yeah, they're not super sweet, so I think that's nice in the morning. However, it is kind of weird with all the apple and maple syrup I used. I thought I used a lot of maple syrup, but they did not turn out super sweet, so yeah, they're pretty good.